Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy Online Classes 2020-22. Today we will discuss General Knowledge Class 7 Part 1. So let's start this video. Reptiles, a vertebrate animal of a class that includes snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles and tortoises. They are distinguished by having a dry scaly skin and typically laying soft-shelled eggs on land. So this is called reptiles. Means a vertebrate animal of a class that includes snakes, lizards, crocodile, turtles, tortoise are called reptiles. Amazing reptiles, the wriggles. Can you identify the wrigglers? Question first. A reptile that has a sail on its back. It cannot swim. It can be domesticated also. Means a reptile that has a sail on its back. It cannot swim. It can be domesticated also. The name of tortoise. Next question. It is just like a tortoise but it stay in water. It is just like a tortoise but it stay in water. It's called turtle. Next, it is like a crocodile and can be mistaken for it, but it's small and has powerful bony scales on body. It is like a crocodile and can be mistaken for it, but is small and has a powerful bony scales on body. It's called alligator. You feel alligator. And after that, it is the largest and the heaviest of the reptiles found these days. It has huge jaw. It is the largest and the heaviest of the reptiles found these days. It has huge jaw. It's called crocodile. Next, it is a reptile brown black in color. These reptiles look like a brown black color. It belongs to the group of crocodiles. It belongs to the group of crocodile. The name of camel. Next, a snake which makes sound when it crawls and has a rattle on its tail. A snake which makes sound when it crawls and has a rattle on its tail is called the rattlesnake. It's called rattlesnake. Then means this snake moves, has a rattle on its tail, produces sound. It is a strange animal that leaves its tail behind when attacked. The tail then grew again. Means it is a strange animal that leaves its tail behind when attacked. The tail then grow again after some week. So this is called the lizard. Next, it is a peculiar reptiles which can change its color quickly according to its surrounding. It is a peculiar reptile which can change its color quickly according to its surrounding. Is called chameleon. Chameleon. Next, it is highly poisonous snake and it is the longest of the poisonous snake. It is a highly poisonous snake and it is longest of the poisonous snake. It's called king cobra. The name of the snake, king cobra. Sea queen, the amazing fishes. Some fishes have unique body structure and strange habits. First, it is a fish which has two eyes, but each eye is divided into two by a dark band. It appears as if the fish has four eyes. That is why it is the name like that. The name of this fish, four-eye fish. Four-eyed fish. This fish have two eyes, but each eye is divided into by a dark band, so it's appear four eyes. So the name of this fish is four eye fish. Next, This fish is freshwater fish. It lives in South American rivers and it omnivorous in nature. It has very sharp teeth and has cage for flesh. It is very violent. This fish is live in freshwater, South America, and omnivorous in nature. The name of this fish is piranha. Question number 3. This fish has a razor-shaped spiny tails which contains poisonous gland. When it's disturbed, it violently lashes out with its spiny tails to defend itself. Means this fish has a razor-shaped tail. The name of this fish is stingray fish. Stingray fish. Fourth, this fish has a dangerously sharp pair of spines on either side of the tail. They act like a surgeon's knife. Means this fish spines have a sharp. They act like a surgeon's knife. So the name of this fish is surgeon fish. Fifth, a strange fish which is more active out of water. It's breathed through its spine. It has amphibian style of living. Means this strange fish live more times out of water. It breathes through its spine. The name of this fish mud skin fish. Mud skipper fish. Mud skipper fish. Next, this fish is brightly colored and has a strip patterned body making in the prettiest of all the fishes found on the reef of the ocean. This is the brightly colored and strip patterned body making fish. The name of this fish mandarin fish. Mandarin fish. Next, it fills its elastic stomach with water and swell up so that the spines become spherical. This ability to inflate rapidly protect it from its predator. It fills its elastic stomach with water and swell up so that the spines become spherical. This ability to inflate rapidly protects it from its predator. The name of this fish, puffer fish. Puffer fish. This fish fill its elastic stomach with water and swell up so the spine becomes spherical. This ability to inflate rapidly protect from its predator.